Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we're going to be doing another unboxing and review of Rosalind gel polishes. So this is the package here, opening it up as per usual, and it came packaged nicely as usual. It ships from Amazon.com, and while we're here I might as well just tell you, you could get this 20-piece gel polish set at a discounted price, so 5% off if you use the code, and I'll provide the link in the description for you. So let's open it up. This is the nice box it comes in. It's wrapped in plastic, so it's very secure. So we're just going to get the scissors and we're going to cut open this plastic. But before I do that, I'm just checking out the bag to see what's inside there. 20 pieces, and it contains 6 milliliters of gel polish. That's enough for about like what, 2 to 3 full sets, or even more depending on how much you use. Alright, so let's get to opening this package up. By the way, if you're new here, my name is Shameen, and on this channel I do everything nails and nails related. The plastic looked like it was giving a little trouble, so I had to assist it. So now we're getting this plastic off, and I can't wait to open up this package. Come on, let's go. The last time I got a package like this with the box flap, I didn't know where it was, so I make sure and check this time, and I realized the opening of the box was at the front. So all you do is pick it up and you pull it up and it's open, and these look so pretty inside here. Look at how nicely they're packaged. So this is 20 gel polishes, and it's, as usual, you have the information there, questions and answers, what is UV gel, how to apply, how to remove, and the designs that you could try for yourself. So that's the usual. Just keep going through that, and I think that is really nice that Rosalind includes this. I mean, most people do, but I like that they include it, and also the question and answer part in the back. So these colors are really nice, and the bottles are really nice too. They have a slight shimmer to them, so it's not just like a plain white bottle. There's like this glittery shimmer to them, and it makes it very nice to look at. So we're going to get all these polishes, and yeah, let's just get right into it. So we got all the polishes out, and I am seeing them all together, and I am watching now. Some of these colors are catching my eye. Like, I'm already seeing some ones that I want to use. I just can't wait to swatch them. So I wouldn't be swatching all of them on camera. I will just swatch the ones that I really liked. So we're starting off with this deep blue, and I went ahead off camera and I wrote the names and the numbers of the colors, the numbers of the colors on my swatch sticks. So we're starting off with C407, and it's this deep blue. To be honest, in the picture it looked more like a navy blue, but opening it up here, it is more of a deep dark blue color. And I realized that that one was kind of see-through, just like how this one is. This is C366, is a bold red, but as you can see here, it kind of see-through. So for most of these polishes, well, you'll only see me do one swatch on the camera, but off camera I did 2 swatches on all of the nails, and in some cases 3 swatches, but most of them only need 2 swatches or 2 coats. Sorry, only 2 swatches, 2 coats, right? So that and the nail is opaque, at least the color is opaque. Just 2 coats and it's good. Look at this glitter polish here. I mean, this is awesome. This is just so shiny and shimmery. Like, I love glitter gel polish. I didn't even want to stop polishing it, but yeah. And then this other glitter polish, the glitter chunks in this one are more fine, so it went on more smooth. And this is like what, purple. This is very nice. This will come in handy if like you're doing a purple full set and you needed an accent nail. And then my favorite, the silver, because the glitter in it is so shimmery, and I think that this could go with any set because you have like a wide range of iridescent glitter inside it. Next we have this plum color. Plum? Yeah, plum. But the only thing with this is that you needed like 3 coats. This is one of the polishes that needed 3 coats for it to be opaque, but still a beautiful color nonetheless. So we're just going to swatch out the rest, and then I will show you how they all look together after 2 to 3 coats and a top coat. Y'all, this was my favorite color of all. This pastel blue, I think, is the best blue I've seen in a while. It is very nice. The consistency is smooth, and it went on really easy. And initially, like when I saw this green polish here that I'm swatching now, I thought that I was gonna do a green set because I was already thinking like green. But when I saw that blue there, oh my goodness, I know I had to use it. So yeah, these are all the colors after swatching, and these glitters are really shiny, and as you see, that blue is just jumping out at me. We had a few nudes and pinks, and that is basically what made up the 20 pieces in the 20-piece set. So now it's time for us to do a set. So let's select the colors that we're going to be doing, and of course we want the colors to complement each other. So this silver glitter polish that I really liked, I'm going to be using it, so I put that aside, as well as that blue, that beautiful blue. Look at it, come on, that is beautiful, right? And then the other color to complement it, I was using this gray first, but then I saw the darker gray and I was like, yes, they will all come together pretty well. I didn't swatch all the colors on camera, so yeah, this is the three main colors we're going to be using for the set today. And then I have C117 and C001, which I've used before, so you could check that out in my last Rosalind unboxing video. I will leave the link down below. So these are the colors I'll be using. That C117 is going to be the base color. We're going to be doing press-on nails today for this set. The shape and length today is long square. So I'm prepping the nails by priming them, and as you know, doing this takes the shine off the nails so that the gel polish could stick to it better. And we're starting off with that blue again. Really, really nice. With one coat, it was pretty good, but I mean, 2 coats made it look even better. So we're going to be putting blue polish on the thumbnail, and then the base color C117, also from Rosalind Beauty. We're going to be doing that on 3 of the nails. And then we will put it in the UV lamp to cure for about 30 seconds. And yeah, we'll apply some more coats to it. For the ring finger, I am going to be using the silver glitter polish, and yeah, I mean, this doesn't even need anything extra on it, so we're just going to be leaving that plain, like with the plain silver glitter, because it's making enough of a statement, right? So we just put in the rest of coats on the nails, and you know, I'll check back in after. So if you like content like this, be sure to like this video. You could leave a comment telling me what kind of nail sets you like, and you know, you could subscribe to the channel so you can see more nail videos like this one, and you could give suggestions on what nails you like to see me do next. So now we're going to do what? We're going to do a little French tip here on this nail. For the design, we're doing some accent nails, of course. First, as you know, I freehand my French outline. I fill it in with the polish, making sure that smile line looking decent enough. And then we're going to put it in the UV lamp to cure for about a minute. I do 2 coats of that, and then now I use the white as a base because we're going to really be doing a blue French tip, because yeah, I mean, I could literally hear how much I love this blue color, but this is a really nice pastel blue. So we're doing a French tip with that, and I like to use white as a base because it shows up the colors better. So I did 2 coats of that, although it was really good with 1 coat, but 2 coats just to be safe, you know. Outline the smile line so it looks nice and crisp. And then after that, what we're going to do here, we're going to be using some of this silver glitter polish to outline the French tip again and give it a little pop, so now it will match the silver accent nail that we have. All right, so everything complements each other. So doing this outline, I'm using my fine nail art brush from Beetles. Now I bought some more nail art brushes in recent times, but you know, this Beetles one, I seem to keep coming back to it. So yeah, big up Beetles for these liner brushes. For the next nail, I'm doing the typical tartan design. Plaid nail here, you see in it. So I start off making the pattern with the white. I put it to cure, and then after I'm outlining it with this dark gray. So usually in a case like this I would use black, but because we want the colors to, you know, come together, we're using gray on the outside, and it complements the blue and the silver glitter pretty well. When you're doing nails like this, or when you're using polishes like this to do nail art, it is a bit more difficult because the polish is so, thin. That is why it's better to use like a painting gel, especially when you're doing fine line work like this. So working with this gel polish, because of its thinner consistency, was a little more difficult to get the lines like exactly how I wanted them to be. So now we're going to just finish it off by putting some blue. Just going to make that blue mark on the nail. Yeah, and I think it looks pretty cool. It's very, very nice. So once you're done with that, we cure it in the UV lamp for about a minute, and then this is how the set is looking all together so far. But I think it needs something more. So what we're going to do is we're going to take the French tip nail with the glitter outline, and we're going to add some top coat to it, and then I'm going to be doing like a sweater design on the nail. So first you need some top coat, and while I'm here I decided I'll just top coat the accent glitter nail one time, because there isn't anything more we could do to it without looking like we're doing too much. So first of all, I was going to try this nice sweater design here, but I really didn't like how it was coming out, so I opted not to do it again, and I just wiped it off and I did something more simple. So for textured or sweater nails, right, we're going to be getting some clear acrylic powder, and I'm taking the same blue gel polish. Now mind you, the nail has top coat on it. This is because you don't want the rest of acrylic powder to stick to the other parts of the nail. So we just want the acrylic powder to go wherever we put in the design. So we're just doing like a line design here, and it looks kind of like a sweater, so we'll go with that, like a chevron kind of print. So we're doing that, making sure to keep control of your brush, and you don't want your polish running into it, so make sure and space it properly. Once you're done with that, what you're going to do, you're not going to cure it, you're going to take, well, I'm using the enamel cuticle pusher, but you're just going to throw all of the acrylic powder onto the nail, making sure you cover all the places where your wet gel polish is. So continue to do that, make sure everything is covered. And once you're satisfied with how it looks, you're putting it in the UV lamp to cure for about a minute. This is how it looks after you finish curing, and I am brushing off the excess dust to reveal my nice sweater print design on the nail. I did that for the thumbnail, the index nail, and the pinky nail, and this is how the set looks right now. But to be honest, I was not feeling that plaid design because the lines were so wonky, so I decided to try something else. But yes, I wanted to do some line work, but I decided to do stripes instead. So I'm using the colors again, the dark gray, the blue, the white, and the silver, and I'm just going to be making some stripes vertically on the nail. So I have to cure it in between each line. So while the first one was curing, I decided that I wanted to add something even more to the French nail with the sweater print design. So I'm using my rhinestone gem glue here that I got recently from Temu, and you can see that video there on my TikTok. So yeah, the link for my TikTok is in the bio, and I have these oversized gems that I also got from TikTok, I believe, yes, or Amazon, I can't remember, and I'm just putting the gem right in the middle there. So this looks really nice. Yep, nail is complete, simple like that. And once you just adjust it on the nail, we're going to put it in the UV lamp to cure for about a minute. And now we're back to the stripes on the nail. I mean, this one is pretty simple, you just put in stripes. We're doing that halfway across the nail, and then we're going to put some top coat on it, and simple design. So you see how nice and simple that was? I like this way better than the plaid nail. So we just put in some top coat on it, and this top coat is also from Rosalind Beauty. It came in the 48-piece set I reviewed recently. So yeah, I think I spoke about that earlier, so you can check it out. I'll leave the video down below for you to see. This is how the set looks all together, and then off camera I did the other side. Actually, I filmed that one there, but I filmed that one on my phone for short form content for TikTok and Instagram. And the set looks really nice. This blue is amazing, and it goes really well with the silver and the gray. So thanks again to Rosalind for sending this set to me. I'm going to try these nails on the outside, and you're going to see how it looks now. Don't forget to use my code for 5% off. So thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.